Hi, Pipeline admins. Thanks for joining me in the account settings. We're going to look at search settings. The search settings are for the universal search. As you can see up here, I'm searching the name John. This is what displays out this information. From here, you can edit what information displays when you create a search. Right now, this is set to allow users to customize their own results and these other settings. If you would like, as an admin, full ownership, you can turn that off. You can set it so the user can only search for accounts, people, or deals that they own. This is a live view of any changes you make. So let's go to here to custom fields. And let's say when we search somebody, we would like to see what industry they are for a quick view. So you can see these guys are in retail. These guys are in software. That way, when you search base culture, you'll be able to see quickly that they're in software without having to dive in and search for this information. If they have any product interests, things like that. You can also, as you can see, add custom fields and other system fields, maybe what company name, or take away when they were created. And who the owner is. Once you are done, be sure to save changes. We will go through the universal search during a later video in team training. Thanks.